So hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another brand new video. And in today's video I'll be showing you 5 best apps for month of June 2021. In this, one is a wallpaper app, one is a customization app, one is a game, and 2 useful apps. So if you are interested in this video, then do watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, then just hit the subscribe button, as I keeps on creating this kind of video every week. And without any further delay, now let's begin the video. So our first application is from the OnePlus developers out there, known as Wallpaper, which is a live wallpaper application. And there are only 3 live wallpapers in this application, but the best part about this application live wallpapers is they also act like a digital well-being. So it is like to hit 2 birds with the same stone. So as you can see here, which color stand for which category of application, and there is a personal suggestion from me that you should prefer the color block wallpaper instead of other 2 live wallpapers, as it is more efficient and good looking. After all, it's your choice at the last, and the link of this live wallpaper application is given in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So our next application is Zen Flip Clock, which is a clock application, but with really amazing and aesthetic vibes. I can guarantee you guys, if it is kept open on your desk, your friends will do ask you about it. So this is the interface of an application on the main screen, which shows the clock. On the left side there is a stopwatch, and on the right side there is a Pomodoro timer of 25 minutes. Also you can change that timer in the settings, for which you have to swipe up. You can change many more stuff in the settings, like to change the theme. In this you can put the deep black theme if you are having an AMOLED device like me, or you can also put the bright white theme, whichever you like. And the best part about this clock application is, if it is kept in a landscape mode, it feels like an actual clock. So link of this application is also provided in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So now we are going to see a really amazing game known as Baseball 2, which has really good graphic and amazing gameplay, which make this game super addictive. So in a gameplay you will get this kind of view, and believe me guys, this game has really good graphics and colors. And when it comes to gameplay and how to play this game, it has all the same baseball method, that if the player gets 3 strikes, it will be declared out. If a player wants to score 1 run, either he have to hit the home run or he have to complete a round from the 4 spaces of the baseball ground, and it will be declared as 1 run, and other methods which will you figure out as you play. So link of this game is also provided in the description box below, don't forget to check it out. So our next application is the really amazing application which can solve your problem of removing the background from the certain images. So this is known as Clip Drop, which is a camera application in which you have to click the photo of any product, as I am clicking here, and after clicking the photo I have to wait for a few seconds, and it will give me a complete background erase image of this charger brick like a professionals. So this is a really amazing application which can save you a lot of time in the post-production of the images. So do check this application out. The link of this application is given in the description box below. So our next app is one which can give you few Android 12 widgets for free without any use of kwgt and other stuff, as you can see here. And if you wanna apply any of this widget, just tap on the widget and they will appear on the blank space on your home screen. Then readjust and change their position a bit to make them look good on your home screen setups. So do check this application out. The link of this application is provided in the description box below. And if you like any of this application until this point, then do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So that's it for this video guys. In this video I tried my best to show you 5 best Android apps for month of June 2021. If you liked any of this application, then do hit the like button, share this video with your friend. If you are new to the channel, then just hit the subscribe button, as I keeps on creating videos like this every week. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, peace out.